Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Forms and selecting a blank form. Add required fields: name, email, student ID, required so students can't skip them. Once done, give the form a clear title like attendance and a short description explaining expectations. Make sure to toggle collect email addresses if you want automatic emails. Connect the form to a Google Sheet now. That creates a time-stamped response log, which you'll use for records and verification later. Continue by linking responses to a Google Sheet so every submission gets a timestamp. You will set validation on student ID to accept a fixed pattern. This prevents mistyped entries. Once linked, create simple sheet formulas to flag duplicates and mark late arrivals, and add conditional formatting for quick scanning. If you expect many attendees, generate a QR code or a short link for the form and place it where students can scan. This speeds up check-in and reduces manual errors. To finish, stop accepting responses when class ends and export the results to CSV or PDF for records. Make sure you set limit to one response or sign-in requirements for recurring sessions to prevent duplicate or fraudulent check-ins. Once exported, archive the linked sheet in a folder with date-labeled files. If things go wrong, inspect the sheet formulas, and the forms collect email addresses setting first. Misconfiguration there causes missing or anonymous submissions, and fixing those clears most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.